In today's fast-paced world, people rely on online shopping to make their life easier. But when something goes wrong with their order, getting help can be a nightmare. Luckily, there's a better way. Now, more and more businesses are turning to an omnichannel approach for their customer support needs. Meet Qiscus Omnichannel Chat. With Qiscus Omnichannel Chat, customers' complaints can be quickly resolved. No matter what channels they use, businesses can receive all inquiries from one single dashboard. From email to social to e-commerce, we've got you covered. Also easily integrated with chatbots, such as Qiscus Robolabs, it can manage a wide range of frequently asked questions, freeing up human agents to focus on more complex issues. With its no-code chatbot technology and ability to provide 24/7 assistance, Qiscus Robolabs makes it so easy to resolve customer issues quickly and efficiently. Also, for more productive agents' performance, you can manage their workload through supervisor features. Even now, you can assist a specific person to supervise a specific division. Excellent customer support means that all interactions customers have with a company are trackable. You can track everything and make data-driven decisions with real-time analytics features. Qiscus can help your business provide excellent customer support from one dashboard and help you satisfy your customers. And with satisfied customers, businesses can enjoy increased customer engagement, loyalty, and increased sales. What are you waiting for? Create excellent customer support for your business with Qiscus now.